What if I told you the right AI tools could save you hours every day, and you don't even have to pay for them? Here are the top 5 free AI tools in 2025 that can make your life 10 times easier. Welcome to AutoMindVerse, your go-to source for smart tech, AI tools, and productivity hacks. Whether you're a student, content creator, or entrepreneur, these tools are made for you. Let's start with Opus Clip, the smartest way to repurpose your long videos. Just upload your YouTube video, and it automatically cuts it into short viral clips for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok, complete with subtitles, highlights, and even emojis. Next up is Gamma.app, a game changer for presentations. Instead of wasting hours on PowerPoint, just describe your topic. Gamma will design a modern, interactive slide deck in seconds, perfect for students, professionals, or agencies. Third is Leonardo AI, your go-to for stunning AI-generated art. Need logos, concept art, product images, or thumbnails? Leonardo gives you ultra-high-quality results with more control than Midjourney, and it's free to start. Number 4 is Notion AI. More than just a note-taking app. It writes emails, summaries, blog posts, and plans your tasks using AI. It's like having your own smart assistant inside your to-do list. And of course, we can't ignore ChatGPT, the AI brain behind everything. Use it for writing, coding, researching, learning new skills, and even generating video ideas. And yes, the free version still works great in 2025.